Well, before the video starts, lo-fi beat that has nothing to do with the video? Check. So I watched the number file video, link here. Yeah, they were talking about multiplication persistence, and at the end of the video, they touched on the subject about searching for a number with multiplication persistence of 12. And yeah, I like expanded on this idea a little. And so this video is about giving you an approach that you can expand on, and if you do so, like leave it in the comments. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I mean multiplication, persistence, and all that shit. There's like a really short explanation in this video, but I recommend watching the number file video afterwards or before you watch that one, or you can like watch only theirs and skip mine, but don't do that. Don't do that. I put a lot of effort in it, so yeah, enjoy.
Alright, now what's multiplication persistence? So let's get a number. I don't know, some kind of bigger number here. I don't know, let's see 27, right? So basically, multiplication persistence means that you take these two numbers and then you multiply them, and when you there you get 14, and then you do the same thing to 14, and it becomes 4. And that's a simple digit number, so if you multiply over them, you will get 4 again. And that means 27 has multiplication persistence of 2. Right? So 27 is 27 is a full number. Okay. No. This one.
So that's the number with multiplication persistence of 12. That's the shortest one. So what we need to do is to make an algorithm that finds multiplication persistence, and that will be our verifying part. Let's jump into Jupyter Notebook, and now we wait.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay. And it turns out that most numbers don't have multiplication persistence just because of one digit, and this is 0 because if you multiply something by 0, it is your diagram. Yeah, and so basically.
Alright, so this bit became kind of sloppy, and post-production voiceover time. Yeah, so here basically I'm trying to explain that all the permutations of the same number have the same multiplication persistence because, they have the same digits, and multiplication persistence is derived from the digits. And I don't know, I took like 3 minutes to understand this shit, so I hope you like that better. Post-production voiceover number 2. Good one, little faggot, 2 in a row. So yeah, here basically I'm trying to explain that if you break something into its dividers, so prime dividers, and they're all single digit, you can stick them together and you get the next level in the multiplication persistence of moving down, of moving up. So I guess that fuck you. Alright, so volume 3. Basically, if we can piece all my dots together, that's how we find the number we're searching for. Hey, fuck yeah. So now, I'll let my pastel suffer in front of your very eyes, just because he forgot how to write an experimentation algorithm, and here it is.
You. You like you. Well, I guess I'll snap and it will come into existence. So, I need an algorithm. Oh, yeah. So yeah, yeah.
Alright, so post-production me again. Basically, I had a hard time explaining this algorithm just because of the complexities that come with it. So basically, I mean, what the algorithm does is you have a set of something, it doesn't matter, but it should have an order, like letters or digits. I don't fucking care. And so basically, with the next permutation, you get the next lexicographical permutation. And so what you do is you find the last solved pair. That means the first number is smaller than the second, and so you mark the first number position as E, and so the first number becomes AE, and then you start searching to the left of E, and so for the leftmost number that is bigger than AE, and you mark this position as J. And what you do is you switch them, and then you reverse everything to the left of E. So that basically explains the algorithm. You keep repeating them till you get all the permutations, basically, and yeah, that's it. I'll leave some links in the description for better explanations, but the algorithm is not that complex. Alright, so basically, here you can see the number I wrote on the board before. So here's how our function handles it. And now I'm writing a factor search, which basically breaks down numbers into their prime components or prime dividers, or however the fuck you wanna call it. So yeah, if it divides and it gives a whole number again, then you know, when you percent to shit, I mean, not gonna explain that shit any further. Yeah, basically here, semicolon shit. Hey, yeah, I fiddle around with Python a lot, but semicolon is encoded in my genes, dude. Yeah, so here I test this shit, and yeah. And so this is where my recording got cut off, and then Jupyter Notebook did some shit I don't know what the fuck just happened, and it crashed and my file didn't open, so I rewrote all of it in Visual Studio Code and... Alright, into Jupyter Notebook. That's my next permutation, you know, algorithm. Look at it and, you know, shit. So I run the program, and this is what happened. Well, it failed, and so I'm giving up on it, in case it wasn't obvious. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Yeah, black screen is a good end card.